I'm Chris Davis Garcia, current president of the League of Women Voters of Corpus Christi. The League is celebrating its 74th year of service in this community, and while you usually see us registering voters, planning candidate forums, and publishing voter guides, we have another equally important tenet to our mission statement. That tenet is to have a good understanding of public policy issues that impact our community, to raise concerns to our community's respective policymakers and encourage solutions, and advocate for the well-being of residents of all ages. More than 2 years ago, a study committee comprised of members of the League began its work on the topic, Potential for Lead Contamination in Our Community Drinking Water. The city of Flint, Michigan was in the news that summer as the study got underway, as well as specific water concerns and water boils in Corpus Christi. As the League delved into the topic, information and statistics were requested from many frontline sources, including our Water Utilities Department with the city and the Corpus Christi Nueces County Public Health District. Our study has been completed, and while we're still tweaking and gathering additional information, the initial findings that galvanized the League's concern included the Texas Department of State Health Services data from 2012 to 2016 that showed a dramatic increase in reported cases of childhood lead poisoning in our county and presumably in our city. A spike in lead poisoning, those statistics showed, added approximately 50 children per year to the poison caseload, according to that state health services department. The League certainly does not know the sources of exposure, and we don't know the location of those sick or affected children without more help from the health district to which this court belongs. Without assistance, education and prevention are not possible, and we can only speculate about potential sources of contamination, whether those prove to be drinking water, soil, household dust, or something as yet unidentified. At this time, the Public Health District does not maintain records nor disseminates information about child lead poison cases. The city's utilities staff has reviewed our study, and League members will be meeting with those staff members early next week to receive their response, and we hope to pose additional questions. The League also will schedule a meeting soon with the director of the City County Health Department to share the study, to talk about records retention and sharing data, and gathering other relevant information. The League recognizes that Nueces County is a major stakeholder in this initiative, and that the Health District can be a valuable resource in shedding light on the location and sources of possible lead poisoning. Ultimately, all of us share a desire to minimize the risk of that lead poisoning, especially for infants, children, and pregnant mothers, in whatever ways we can, and to make sure that we're all working together. At some point in the future, the League hopes to return to your chambers to bring additional updates on this important topic and how the League has reached out to additional entities to gather more information and share the League's concerns. My purpose today is simply to provide each of you with a copy of the League's study, which I hope you will read at your earliest convenience. Thank you so much, Judge and Commissioners, for the opportunity to address you today.
Thank you.